me to keep making my tutorials, I simply ask that you hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. When you do hit the subscribe button, along with the notification button, you will be alerted when I put out a new video to help you with your QuickBooks software. Do you purchase the same inventory item from multiple vendors based on pricing or lead times? Starting with QuickBooks Enterprise Platinum Edition V20, you now have a feature to compare vendor pricing and lead time based on the individual product. You are allowed one preferred vendor and 3 alternative vendors for a total of 4 alternate vendors. Using alternative vendors makes it easy to match your vendor items with your inventory items. When it's time to make a purchase, you can easily compare and choose which vendor to purchase from at any given time. In this video, I will demonstrate the first step to set up your vendor items. This will start the process so you can compare which vendor to purchase your product from. To get started, we need to make sure our advanced inventory is turned on within QuickBooks before we can get started. Now let's go to see how to view your vendor item information. Let's take a look to see what vendor screen shows before we import our vendor prices. Let's select Vendors, Vendor Center. Select the vendor. We will choose Foster Lighting. Select the Items tab in the center of your screen. This tab contains your specific vendor's item list. What you will see before you import your vendor's price list are inventory and non-inventory purchases from vendors within the last 12 months. This includes the item name from your items list within QuickBooks, most recent purchase price, quantity ordered, and your last order date. As you can see, for alternative vendors to be effective, we need to import our vendor description, vendor's part number, price, unit of measure, and lead time. To import your current price list, select Manage Vendor Items on the bottom left of your screen. Here you can choose to remove a record or add edit vendor items. If I click into the Add Edit Vendor Items, you will see all fields are blank because we haven't yet uploaded our initial price list. Honestly, QuickBooks has some work to do with simplifying the process to get your items imported for the first time. They should have had another choice on the Manage Vendor button to export your price list by preferred or alternate vendor to an Excel spreadsheet. I'll explain why in the next video and what options are available at this time. I still think that this is a great feature, but they need to make the initial setup of your vendor items list much easier. Watch our next video that starts the process to set up your vendor price. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll be alerted when I create another video like this. And as always, thank you for watching.